This will be a grand year for the ASEAN since it will take a mark and celebrate its 50th anniversary. Hence, it will serve as a big, momentous event for the country to set the tone for the next 50 years. The municipality of Panglao is chosen by the Department of Foreign Affairs ASEAN as one of the 50 historical cities and municipalities for the ASEAN landmark lighting, and that will be simultaneous tonight around the Philippines. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to formally welcome us, let's give it up to our very dynamic municipal mayor in the municipality of Panglao. Let's give it up to Honorable Leonila Paredes Montero. A big hand, please.
And to witness the landmark and memorable ASEAN lighting ceremony. Tonight, we are holding a very memorable event. This landmark lighting will cap the celebration of the 50th anniversary of the ASEAN. This activity now is a simultaneous lighting activity in more than 70 cities and municipalities all over the Philippines, including the municipality of Panglao. We are here gathered now, a colorful ASEAN lantern. We will be lighted at exactly 7 o'clock, and the big ASEAN 20-footer ASEAN lantern will be lighted at 7 p.m. at the Cultural Center of the Philippines complex in Manila simultaneously. The beautifully designed ASEAN lantern is made in Pampanga. Kinimang lantern po ani sa makita sa Cultural Center. It is made in Pampanga, Philippines, known for its lantern industry, and will feature the flags of 10 ASEAN member states and the emblem of ASEAN to mark a fitting ending of the ASEAN 50th anniversary celebration. Ours in the municipality of Panglao is uniquely designed by the artistry of our engineering staff, headed by our very busy Municipal Engineer Uji Bunaw. Naitom na ni si Sir Uji. Pakpakan po nato. However, this is made common to the given design. This landmark lighting symbolizes ASEAN's important role as the light that guides the path of the 10 ASEAN member states in pursuit of regional peace to commemorate the celebration of ASEAN's 50th anniversary. We are blessed that this landmark lighting is held in our town, beautiful town of the municipality of Panglao. Pakpak taga Panglao mo eh. I also wish to reiterate our joy and happiness and deep appreciation that Panglao and Bohol have the distinct privilege of hosting the Asia Cooperation Dialogue as the ASEAN celebrates its 50th anniversary. I hope that our landmark lighting ceremony tonight will also remind all of us, especially local officials who are here, that we are the light and hope of our people, especially those in the periphery. I welcome you all, and to formally open tonight's activity, and may I invite you all to shout out loud with me, "Let there be light." Again, let there be light for the ASEAN dream. This is the ASEAN dream as well as our dream nga kitang tanan magpuyo diha sa kahayag of efficiency to our service to the people. Once again, and in one voice, let us all shout out, "Let there be light!" Let there be light! I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, let's hear our governor in his commemorative speech.
Daghang salamat, may gabi sa tanan. Paliw kong lingkod sa kuna kay among gitanaw ang atong relo is still 10 to 7. And the instruction of the National Organizing Committee is to light our lanterns and our whatever we have installed, no? Para alas 7 yun kuno simultaneous sa tibuok Pilipinas. So please take your seats and let me just deliver first our commemorative message. Maayong gabi kanatong tanan. Taga natos masipang pakpak ang atong nasod ka Pilipinon atol sa atong ika-50 nga anibersaryo sa ASEAN. And let me greet our very dynamic Municipal Mayor of the town of Panglao, o maabot nga syudad usab sa Panglao, o nga atong mga kauban sa serbisyo sa lungsod sa Panglao. Mayor Nila Montero, tagas masipang pakpak, ang atong mahayag nga mayor. Atong Vice Mayor, nga maabti kayong nagsuporta sa atong pinangga nga mayor, Vice Mayor Pedro Huertes, tagas masipang pakpak. Ang atong mga konsihal sa atong lungsod, mga barangay officials, barangay captains, tanan atong mga kaigsunan sa kabarangayan, labi na ang atong mga magtutudlo sa atong nagkalain-lain ng mga tulungaan, o ang atong mga empleyado sa pangagamahanan lokal dinhi sa atong lungsod sa Panglao, o labi na kayo ang atong mga bisita. Kauban ako karon, wa ta mag-inusara si Governor Edgar Chato sa atong pagbisita sa Panglao, kay niya ang atong mga bukal. Board Member Benji Arcamo, nga atong lumad nga anak sa Panglao. Board Member Ricky Masamayor, pagpakan usab nato. Ang atong kanunay nga mahanyag nga DILG officer sa probinsya, Director Luella Lucino, atong tagas masipang pakpak. I am very happy nga niya usab uban nato ang atong tinugyanan sa National Museum, Director Angel Bautista, kuyog sa iyang mga kauban. Ang atong mga kahigalaan sa media o tanan nga nag-cover sa atong event karong gabiuna, akong guspon maayong gabi sa tanan. Samtang nagsaulog kita karon, kuyog sa tibuok Pilipinas, sa anibersaryo sa ASEAN, we are also very happy in Panglao that we have been chosen once again as a venue of another international conference. Nagpadayon dito sa Big Grand Hotel, sugod kahapong adlaw hangtod karon and in the next 4 days, ang atong gitawag og ASEAN Cooperation Dialogue. Usa kini kakalihukan diin ang atong power sector, energy sector sa tibuok Asia, dili lang ASEAN. ASEAN, 10 countries, plus several other countries tungod kay 34 ka mga nasod sa tibuok Asia ang niya karon represented sa lungsod sa Panglao. The purpose of the gathering is to talk about energy as well as reliability of the supply of power and resiliency of many areas in Asia, including the Philippines and Bohol. Labi na sa panahon nga maigo sa mga trahedya, whether man-made or natural. What is very exciting for all the Boholanos, sa daghang mga lugar sa tibuok Asia, ni apagyod sa lungsod sa Panglao, sa lalawigan sa Bohol, gihimo ang atong konferensya sa Asian countries. Mapaka na to ang atong lungsod sa Panglao. Therefore, our town of Panglao in the province of Bohol is already becoming a venue not only for local, national but also international dialogues and conferences. From these dialogues and conferences, we are able to connect to our neighboring countries and the rest of the world. As the ASEAN has adopted the theme on its 50th celebration sa Panginoon, Partnership for Change, Engaging the World. Sa ato pa, ang atong paghinigala ay paghiusa in partnership para atong makabot ang mga kausbanan nga gidamgo sa nasod nga Pilipinon ug sa tibuok ASEAN region. There is strength in unity. There is strength in partnership. There is strength in collaboration. Just like in the town of Panglao, your unity as a people drives you higher to reaching your goals. The same is true with Bohol. United we stand. We face all adversities, whether the challenges are due to natural or man-made challenges and crises. We stand strong because we have strong faith in God, because we have strong faith in ourselves as a people, and we have also strong belief and strong reliability and belief in ourselves as individuals. Tungod niana, it is just one way of expressing how united we are as a country in welcoming the celebration of the 50th ASEAN. 50 katuig sukad na himugso ang ASEAN. Diin ang Pilipinas, usa sa mga founding members niini maong grupo sa mga nasod na gustong mobarog aron magiusa og mas malig-on ang atong kaugmaran isip usa ka rehiyon, the ASEAN region. With President Digong Duterte leading the celebration of the 50th ASEAN as President of the Republic of the Philippines, kita sa Bohol, kita sa Panglao, o kita sa tibuok Pilipinas, nagsuporta sa maong mga kalihukan. As they say, under one light, we are one ASEAN. We can also bring this to Bohol and say, under one light, we are one Bohol. In the town of Panglao, under one light, we are one strong municipality of Panglao. And so, the light na atong ipasigarbo karon also symbolizes the guidance of the Holy Spirit, the guidance of wise people who have charted the destiny of the Asian region and the country as we are part of the strong bond of the ASEAN. The ACD conference tonight also focuses on light. Karong gabi, mato ni Mayor, after the ceremony is here, makita nato ang kabataan sa Panglao, 34 elementary school children dito sa Lourdes, trained by the Department of Energy to convert kanang mga lampara nga oil o lana mao ang gigamit pagpasiga. They are converting it into solar lamps, and they are going to shine tonight dito sa Big Grand Hotel. Human nila tudluan usab sa mga bata ang tanan nga delegado unsaon paghimo ang solar lamps nga gikan sa lana ngadto sa solar lights. So these are symbolisms, but these are also expressing the deep desire to see the light, to see a bright future, to see bright development for Panglao, for Bohol, the country, and the ASEAN region. In light, there is power. In power, there is wisdom. In wisdom, there is strength. And in strength, there is a progressive Panglao, progressive Bohol, progressive Philippines, and much more progressive ASEAN region. Mabuhay ang ASEAN. Let there be light. Good evening, everyone.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, that was our Governor in the province of Bohol, Honorable Edgar M. Chato, in his commemorative message. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, may we call on Honorable Edgar M. Chato, Governor of the province of Bohol, Honorable Benji B. Arcamo, Board Member of the 1st District, Honorable Ricky Masamayor, Board Member of the 1st Municipal Councilors. And we request everyone to please stand.
Countdown.
And let's begin.
10,
In 10,
9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,